Hello guys, in this video I am going to be reviewing an expert advisor called XG Gold Robot. All right, and this one is specifically for MT5, designed mainly for trading gold. All right, now quickly before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the MQL5 marketplace page, go over the key features, and then we're going to jump into the back test to see how the EA actually behaves. All right. And then finally, we'll go through the results. So right now on the MQL5 marketplace, we can see that the XG Gold robot is currently priced at 1,099 US dollars, although it looks like it is discounted from a higher price based on what the seller is saying here, right? It looks as if it is discounted from a higher price. From the description, this EA is specifically built for gold trading. All right, you can see it works perfectly with XAUUSD, gold, and XAU-EUR pairs. Okay, so you can use it with the gold against US dollar, you can use it with gold against euro. All right, now, what stands out immediately is that this isn't just a simple one layer strategy. All right, it combines multiple components like price action, cycle strength. We can see them here, right? Price action, cycle strength, SMA strength, RSI, and a couple of built-in custom indicators. Okay, so right away you can tell that this is more of a multi-factor strategy where different elements are working together to validate trade setups. It also includes quite a number of filters and controls, such as a time filter. Let's just go through the part where the different kinds of filters were mentioned. You can see we have the time filter here, so it only trades during selected hours or days. All right, and then we also have the news filter. You can see the news filter, right, which avoids trading before and after major economic events. Okay, you can see it does not open positions 60 minutes before and after important data, high impact news. All right, and then we have the spread filter, okay, to avoid entering trades when trading conditions are not ideal. And finally, we have the volume filter, okay, which likely helps confirm market participation. Now, there's also a feature that displays weekly gold levels directly on the chart, which is interesting because it can also support manual analysis alongside the EA. So in terms of risk management, you can adjust your risk percentage. Okay, we can see the parameters here. You can go through the parameters. You know, the trading pairs are already listed. We've talked about that. And then the FIFO parameter matching the functions of the robots to FIFO brokers, and we have all of this. Okay, but now let's talk about risk management. You can see the risk percent here, selecting the size of the lots based on the risk percentage. And then we have risk modes. You can see 3 modes to select: the risk, low, medium, and high. All right, we have also the max spread, news filter. We talked about that already. All right, remember that the performance of the EA can also be affected by the settings that you use, right? The level of drawdown you have on your account is determined by the lot size that you use. Okay, so do not forget that. All right. So we are going to go into the strategy tester right now, and let's take a look at how this EA behaves in real time. Okay. So we are going to be testing the XG Gold Robot MT5 using the XAUUSD symbol. We're going to use the 1 hour time frame. Feel free to use whatever time frame you prefer. And then we are going to be testing from the beginning of 2026 till date, as at the time of recording this video is 21st April 2026. Okay. Now, as for the delays, I prefer to use the last ping to my server, for accuracy. So let us see how this EA works. Okay. So one thing I'm noticing pretty quickly is that trades are executed in multiples, right? As you can see, trades are executed in multiples, and they are not completely random or constant, right? There is a structure to when the EA decides to enter the market. Now, looking closely at the entries, you can see that trades tend to align with moments where price is moving with some level of direction and momentum. So this suggests that the EA is combining trend following elements with confirmation based entries. All right. So the presence of things like SMA strength and RSI indicates that it is likely filtering trades based on trend direction, momentum conditions, and possibly overbought or oversold zones. Okay. And now remember that we also have a volume filter, right? And it adds another layer here, which means trades are probably only being taken when there is enough participation in the market, helping to avoid weak or false moves. Remember that we also have a time filter. So trades are happening during specific sessions where gold is more active. And importantly, the news filter ensures that the EA avoids entering trades around high impact events, which can cause unpredictable volatility. Now, in terms of exits, you can also see that the trades are managed with a combination of structured stop loss. You will see that each trade executed is each trade executed is executed alongside a stop loss. All right. So the stop loss makes it possible for trades to be quickly closed, whether when the price is going in the direction of the trader or against the trader. All right. So overall, the execution here is not just based on one signal, it is a confluence based system where multiple conditions must align before a trade is taken. Now, in terms of market conditions, because this EA uses a mix of trend, momentum, and confirmation filters, it's likely to perform best in moderately trending markets with healthy volatility. So that's where you get clear direction, strong follow through, and enough movement for trades to reach targets. All right. At the same time, since it's not purely a breakout system, it may still find opportunities in structured ranges, especially if momentum shifts are captured correctly. Okay. Now, in very choppy or low volatility conditions, I think this is where performance can become less consistent, right? You can see that this EA is a trend following EA, right? Mostly in trending markets, you're going to see this EA performing better compared to consolidation markets. So overall, the EA is designed to operate best when there is clear structure, sufficient volatility, and meaningful price movement. Okay, so I'm just gonna be skipping to the end so that we can see the results of this backtest. Okay, So we're going to be heading over to our results for the back test. Okay, let us see the net profit. Wow, this is crazy. We had an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars that we used for this back test, and we are seeing a net profit of over $26 million. Well, that is what the back test is telling us, and we had a gross profit of over 28 US dollars and a gross loss of over 2 million US dollars with an amazing profit factor of 13.2. All right. So out of over 5,200 total trades taken, there were 939 short trades and over 4,300 long trades. All right. So despite the fact that gold has been mostly on a bullish trend, although there are periods of bearish momentum, right? The percentage of short trades that we are seeing here, over 900, shows that this EA also takes trades even when the trend is it also takes counter trend trades, all right, but it's probably areas where the momentum in that counter trend is strong, right? Because we can see that the percentage of short trades won is 97.98%, and the percentage of long trades won 92.84%. So there were high percentages of both the short trades and the long trades won. Okay, so in both directions the EA was able to perform significantly well. All right, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. The fact that an EA has performed well in the past does not necessarily mean that it's going to perform the same way in the future. All right, so overall, my thoughts on XG Gold Robot MT5, I'll describe it as a multi-factor gold trading system that combines price action indicators and multiple filters to improve trade selection. All right, it's clearly designed to avoid low quality conditions, focus on structured setups, and provide flexible risk management. That said, performance will always depend on market conditions, risk settings or lot size, and how the EA is configured, obviously, right? And of course, traders can always test and optimize the settings further based on their own preferences. As always, these results are based on historical backtesting, and real market performance can vary. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.